Hello, good morning. One of my super fans, yes, I have super fans, that I gave a cleaver to, it said they cannot keep it from rusting. This is in pretty bad shape. This is probably the worst scenario. But this is mild steel, high carbon, mild steel. And if you leave it exposed to water or you put it away wet, yes, it will rust. Just like anything else, okay? It's not stainless steel. It will rust. So, today's project is what I do. We take some regular sandpaper. A lot of it now is waterproof. It's we're going to use 180 grit, and it's already been used, so it's not really rough. So I bring it here to the sink, my kitchen sink, and have just a drizzle of water. Now your sandpaper is waterproof. You do it just like so. Be careful with the edge, because these things are super sharp. Notice I'm not going this way. I'm going this way. This is called wet or dry sandpaper for a reason. There you go, just a couple of minutes. This is still very sharp. Wilkinson sword, razor blade sharp. Now I give away several of these to my friends, and most of them have the same problem of not drying them completely before putting them away. If you've got stainless steel, you don't have to do this. This is for high carbon, mild steel cutlery. It can be a butcher knife, paring knife, hunting knife, skinning knife, whatever you have that rusts. It's called maintenance. Maintenance, folks. And there you go. And whenever you dry it with the sharp blade going away from you, like so. And you get it exceptionally dry. Then you gently put some just regular cooking oil that you cook with, a light coating, and put it away in your drawer, and it'll treat you well for many years. And here's another one I just recently got, and it needs just a light cleanup. Like so. Notice I don't go this way. I go with the edge, and I try not to slice into the paper, which could also slice into your fingers. So just use a little bit of common sense. And there you go. You got it? You got it? Alright, that's all there is to it. It's not rocket science. Okay, here's my disclaimer. If you want to use a harsh chemical like Ospo or a hot vinegar bath, by golly, go ahead and do it, okay? It's your kitchen, your cutlery, do what you want to do. I'm telling you what I do in my kitchen with my tools. Your methods will certainly vary, I guarantee you that. Now what I do, I take some regular cooking oil, just a few drops, and a paper towel, put a light coating. That's all it takes. Not too much. Be extremely careful around your cutting edge. But it is sharp, sharp, sharp. Well, on my knives, I don't know how yours are. That's what I do. So, because see, this is a rough metal anyway, so scratching it with sandpaper is not going to hurt it. And if you've got a real shiny surface, you may not want to go this route. But I'm just telling you what I do for my everyday use cutlery. If your stuff lives in a knife block or a drawer, and it's only good for looks and keepsakes and stuff, you may want to find another method. This is what I use in my kitchen for my tools. If you want to do something different, by golly, get yourself a webcam and make yourself a video and show us how it's done. Thank y'all and have a great day.